I want to show you how you can quickly plan your lessons in brightwheel. All your Experience Curriculum lessons will be in brightwheel just as they are in your teacher guides. If you are an admin, you must assign lesson plans to rooms once the Experience Curriculum content becomes available for the month. Then you and your teachers will be able to access it in the mobile app. You will receive an email notification when the content is available. To assign a lesson plan to a room, log in on the web version of brightwheel. Click on the Learning tab from the purple side menu. Then Create Room Plan, and you can either select from an existing lesson plan template in the library or create your own from scratch. For this example, we're going to select an existing Experience Curriculum lesson plan. Now we'll look for the lesson plan we want to use. For this example, we're going to assign this lesson plan to a preschool room. Click Assign to Room and choose the room, and then assign it to the specific week you're going to use it. Assign, and then you can click on the room to view your lesson plan. What if you want to customize the format of your lesson plans? Yep, you can do that too. For example, if you're closed one day, you can note that by changing the title and the description for the day. Simply write in closed and delete this description, and maybe you'd want to write that you're closed for a holiday. Now you'll want to move those day's activities to another day. Maybe you can squeeze in an extra activity a day, or maybe you'll combine these somehow, or choose from one activity. You can further customize the sections of your lesson plan by renaming them by clicking on the little pencil, add section notes, or adding a new section by clicking the Add Section button at the top. Scroll down to find it, and you can rename it. Let's call this one Outdoor Play. You can add a section for each part of your day. Then you can add a learning activity from your library. I'll show you how to add activities to your library next. I've already created an activity, so let's find it and add it. There's your new activity for outdoor play. What if you have another idea you want to add to your lesson plans? You can add a custom learning activity under the Learning tab, and then by going to your library. Select Create New and Learning Activity. Add a title for your activity to get started. Let's call this one Nature Colors Scavenger Hunt. Continue filling out your lesson plan template with all the details to describe your activity. You can even add it to a room. Click Done, and you can go back to your room plan to add it to your lesson plan. And there it is. Now, if your lesson plan is ready, you can share it with parents by clicking on the Share with Parents toggle, and it will show up in their child's Learning tab. You can also print a copy by selecting the Print button, and you can print the full format, which includes all the information from the digital experience, or the simple format, which would exclude some of these details in the descriptions. Click Print, and you can see a nice clean copy of your lesson plans to post or to share it with licensing and rating programs.